Okay, so this video is about a very modern issue about the definition, okay, class limit and class mark. So for each class interval, there will be two number. These two number is what we call the class limit, okay, class limit. And for one interval, we will use one number to represent this whole item. And this is what we call the class mark, okay, class mark. And the value is found by consider one half of the upper limit and the lower class limit. And you should know that lower actually means smaller, while for upper, it means larger. Okay, so I hope that you understand that if you are given a class interval like 16 to 20, you should know that this one will be the lower class limit, and for this one will be the upper class limit. Okay, and then for 21 to 25, you should also know that what is the meaning. Okay, this one will be the lower class limit, and this one will be the upper class limit. Okay, so for each class interval, there will be two class limit. Okay, and then other than class limit, you should also recognize the meaning of class boundary. Okay, so what is the meaning of class boundary? When you look at the class interval, like if we have, okay, 11 to 15, the next one will be 16 to 20, and then you will also get another one which will be 6 to 10. Okay, so how about 10 to 11? Okay, 10 to 11, and also 15 to 16. So the point or the location that they are connected together will be what we use to describe the class boundary. So if you look at this one now, this one actually is about 6 to 10, and for this one actually equals to 16 to 20. And as you can see it, actually this is the region we also consider belonging to 11 to 15. But for this region, we can only say that, okay, 15.5, this value is belonging to 16 to 20, but not belonging to 11 to 15, this one. Okay, so that is why now you can see two boundary. Okay, this boundary actually is one half of this region. One half of this region. Okay, so basically we find out the difference between this class limit and this class limit, and this one and this one. Okay, and then you'll find out one half of these two class limits, and then use this one to minus this one. That's why you can find out this is equals to 10.5. Okay, and you use the same method, you can find out 15.5. But once again, I just want to remind you, this one is what we call the lower class boundary, while for this one will be what we call the upper class boundary. Okay, that's it for the concept of class limit and class